Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we refine a diamond shape using the direct selection tool. Select your diamond and activate the white arrow. Pull the top anchor upward to sharpen the point. Also adjust the handles for smooth edge flow. Shift side anchors inward for a narrow diamond. Move bottom anchor downward for symmetry. Shape mid-pause segment to polish edges. Zoom in to review angle consistencies. Correct uneven lines using handle control. Soften edges where needed. Ensure all four sides match visually. Now adjust anchors spacing for precisions. Apply subtle refinement across the shape. Recheck symmetry from all angles.